Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the British Royal Fanatic Podcast. I'm Hayden, your American friend with a passion for British royal history. If you enjoy royal media in addition to current events and history within the royal family, then you have found your home. Hi, and welcome. If you could please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all things happening here on the channel. I am so excited for today. So, we have a package. We have something fun to open today. So I have always been really interested in royal jewelry. We've discussed replicas on the crown, and here in America there is a myriad of Etsy shops and wedding jewelers that make replica British royal tiaras. And so today we are starting a series where I'm buying them and we are going to be reviewing them. We are going to just be having fun. It's a little fun unboxing. And yeah, we're just going to get into it. So I haven't opened it. It came yesterday. And now we are just going to get right into it. So, okay. Actual box that this comes in. Pretty nice. It feels like a weird, like, I can't really describe this texture, what this box is, but at least fairly nice, decent sized. But now let's get into it. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this. Oh my goodness. So yes, here before me today is a replica of the Spencer tiara. Now, first impressions, this is a pretty damn good replica. I'm not gonna lie. It is a lot smaller than what I was anticipating, but also in terms of replicas, all we've seen is from The Crown Season 4, and that one was huge. So let's get into it. It has a pretty good weight to it. It is, of course, cubic zirconium. It's not real diamonds, but it's also not that really cheap plastic stuff that you would see in other replicas that are like 10, 15 bucks. This one is actually a pretty decent amount. It's got really good weight to it. And I'll have some close-up pictures here around me of it. This actually isn't that bad. It's actually pretty damn good. I will say, though, now I'm going to get into something nitty-gritty. Okay, so I'm going to hold it up. This is all of the frame that you get. This is all that we have. And the frame is actually pretty short. It kind of stops. And one of the things that's standing out to me is that when you look at the actual Spencer tiara, it looks like there's a few bigger supports, because one of the things that happens is they take like felt and they wrap it around to match your hair color so that it blends in, and it also gives the tiara a little bit of extra height. But yeah, no, this is the Spencer tiara from the very noble Spencer family. It is currently in the hands of the 9th Earl Spencer. This one has been made famous by Princess Diana. Everybody thought this was actually a royal tiara, but it's not. It is actually from an aristocratic family. It's pretty good. The only critique I have is that the frame is really small, which I can understand. You know, it's meant to either sit on your head, but also this is from a wedding company, so I would assume that they would want to have something that they could readily like clip a veil onto. You know, that's the whole point of it. But the frame's really small, but you know what? It's early in the morning. We're just gonna go for it. What does this look like on? This is actually pretty comfortable, I would say. Question. Yeah, I understand now why they have those. Oh my god, this looks so stupid. This looks so stupid. But I will say, this does need something. The very brief time that I put this on, this isn't very comfortable. Because, you know, all the pictures have it showing, like, kind of sitting. Well, no, you're supposed to have a tiara on, you know, 45-degree angle. It's supposed to sit right here. It's supposed to kind of fit like a headband. It's still not comfortable. This hurts. Like, wearing this for only a few seconds. There we go. That's a little better. But this hurts. This isn't comfortable. These little knobs right here aren't very comfortable, and they like dig into your side. So yeah, this looks great. It's gonna look great on a shelf, but it needs a different frame. I will say that much. But this is a fantastic replica. If you can find a way to adjust this, by all means, go for it. 9 out of 10. This is great. Accuracy to the real one, I'll have a little comparison right here. Very, very good. Not too horribly priced. This is actually feels very good quality. Again, the only critique I have is of the frame itself. It feels really small. These aren't comfortable. The actual shipment itself came with came with bobby pins to better secure it, which I can understand, but also with my big ass head, it won't need much securing because it does it itself. But yeah, this is truly fantastic, worth your money. It is, again, surprisingly very good. I've had very big hesitation with buying one of these because they either look great or they look clearly this is a fake. This looks pretty good. This is a fairly good replica. The only thing is the frame needs to be altered. But let me know down below, what other tiaras should I add to the list? I already have a working list right now. What tiaras do you want to add? Let's continue and have fun. But Spencer tiara, 9 out of 10. Stay tuned for the future, and I will see you in the next one.